gonna go find a lamp. That's better. Okay. Cool. So we're making cookies. And I wrote down my recipe up there. So then, like, that's why. So first we're gonna need a half cup of sugar. Alright, so it's half cup sugar. Take it. Some lumps of my sugar. Just dab it a few billion times. It's all good. Alright, and then in the bowl. Oh my god, there's coffee in here. Give me a moment. Take two without the coffee grounds that accidentally made it in there. It's because it's right next to the coffee pot and our coffee. So we got a half cup of that. And now we need 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar. So, we can use the same cup. Oh my god, this is really loud. I like dark brown. Why? Because it adds so much more of that molasses flavor, and I really like molasses. I don't eat it straight though, like some other things, because that's really gross. It didn't say it was packed, but it's packed. Oh, by the way, this is one I took off of BuzzFeed videos, so this is going to go interesting. And I also don't have an oven. It stopped working, so we're using a toaster oven. Little friend, yeah, that guy. He's baking our cookies, but I learned how to like work with it. You just can't make them too thick, and you have to cook them longer than you want. Alright, there we go, there's our cookies. And now we need a teaspoon of salt. I'm always so concerned about putting salt in sweet things. But if we're gonna do it for the vine. I don't like it. And then I need half a cup of melted butter. So this one, this is half a cup. This is how you melt butter. Take a long mason jar boy. I'm pretty sure we have like every size of mason jar with a regular size lid out there. It's kind of ridiculous. So you stick it in long boy. I left a plate in the microwave. I know it's mine because I made the plate. Then put it in for like a whole 30 seconds. So while that's doing its thing, I'm just gonna use paddle food. I'm gonna mash this all up because I've always been told to go in order of the ingredients listed because that's what you use first and whatnot. So we're going like this. And mix them all up. It'll be great. And I'm gonna mix it up until it's all like crumbly and yummy and whatnot. By the way, I'm really tired, but I thought, you know what? Cook with me.
Oh.
It's not melted. I'm also going to throw in my baking soda now because I don't like it getting all clumpy at the end. That's just my only thing. I don't like having a bite of baking soda, so I need half a teaspoon of that. I might as well get an actual half teaspoon rather than eyeballing it. Making a mess out of myself. That's a fourth. We can do 2 of these. Until I'm a mess. Well, this is like at the end, but I need to not have it all clumpy, so we're gonna get it in the dry stage. Yeah, so. Oh, there was a clump. Mix. Yeah. Alright, so got all that done. Next is egg. Fun fact, I can crack an egg with one hand. Gonna lower you for this egg action. And my mess of the countertop now. And we do it in a separate container. Why? Because if you get a shell in it, it's easier to get it out. That was not as pretty as I thought it would be. Yeah. I did spray some egg, but I got no shells in it, so we win. All right, now we add vanilla, and I'm just gonna add whatever I have left because, yep, that's all I have. Oh, now we only have to add 1.5 cups of flour. Swiggity, swiggity. Rest in peace. Cooking at its finest. But it smells pretty, it looks pretty, tasting pretty. Oh, now we only have to add 1.5 cups of flour. Swiggity, swiggity. Oh, dang it. I used it for the egg. So here's a half cup. And now a whole cup. Yeah. Scooping this off camera. I'm getting flour literally all over the place. I'm a mess. And now to the stand mixer because I don't want to mix it. Ryan's gonna do his thing. Is this still relevant? For all you know, I could not be moving my legs at all, which I'm not. This is how you cool kids do it. And then you do that whole, like your legs are together and you just like As you can see, when you use dark brown sugar, it turns a lovely dark color. It's delicious. Yep, that's edible plain. Alright, now you add your chocolate chips. I've never actually gone with measurements of chocolate chips. I just go until I think, yeah, that's about right. Alright, we're gonna start with that and then see if that's any good. I know everywhere on the internet says you need to cool it down so it's nice and yummy and easy and flavored milk and all sorts of science. But your boy wants a cookie now. Then take a scoop and get yourself a big chunky chunk. I'm gonna make myself 2 cookies. That sounds like fun today. Meep. Meep. It's been a long process. I'm sticking them in the freezer. I'm doing something right, Mom. Okay, so now we got all this cookie dough. We gotta like scoop it out into a container so I have like cookie dough balls. I can just go wham and eat the whole thing straight. Now we go scoop down. This is gonna be the most entertaining billion years of my life. And I don't even make them pretty. I just scoop and go. Yeah, I'm gonna go and I'll be back. You were slightly closer. Wow. So I finally looked up exactly what temperature and stuff it needs to be at. So it's 350 for like 15 minutes, and we're gonna. Oh, I pinched myself. Not even chill, but you know what? Pants. And then you go to 350. I always go over because the stupid thing doesn't get hot enough. And it was like 15 minutes, we're gonna get 20. Yeah, welcome to my life. I'll be back when I have cookies. It dinged. And that's what they look like. Mess, just like me. Yep, that's what I get for trying a new recipe. A mess. But I mean, it could be worse. It's probably my fault, partially, because I didn't do what I was supposed to. But they're all together. I'm just gonna let them cool because they're really hot actually. But yeah, that's my cookies. Thanks for watching my video. If you want to stay tuned, I can do a mukbang. Mukbang. I actually hate them with a passion. I can't do food sounds, so yeah. Alright, yeah. So, thanks for watching. Bye. I don't know how to end things, so yeah.